I love the pots. Yo amo los pots.
We'd love to see this girl again. Ariana is always up for an adventure.
This girl can work hard and play hard. In fact, she played a little too hard during a Powder Puff football game and broke a finger, but it didn't slow her down. She barely broke a sweat running in the state cross-country meet. She also competed on the soccer team and took on ballet lessons.
Ari learned a few Southern phrases during her time with us too, like when asked what she wanted to do, she'd respond, "Just wing it," or "Let's just fly by the seat of our pants." She learned the most important word of the South, y'all. And when asked what's her favorite,
Plum Tucker out. That's my favorite. No, my favorite is howdy.
before we even met face to face, Ari was family, and we'd love to win your vote to help us reunite again. We want more adventures with our Ariana. We love you. Te amamos.